Experience precision and versatility with our premium hole saw set. Elevate your drilling projects with our high-quality hole saw set, meticulously designed for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. This versatile set includes a variety of sizes to tackle any job, ensuring you have the perfect tool for every task. Crafted from durable materials, each hole saw guarantees clean, precise cuts, making your work more efficient and reliable. Whether you're working with wood, metal, or plastic, our hole saws provide the flexibility and performance you need to achieve flawless results. Efficiency and durability you can trust. Say goodbye to the hassle of subpar tools and embrace the seamless efficiency of our hole saw set. Designed for easy use and long-lasting performance, this set is an essential addition to any toolbox. The sharp, robust teeth ensure smooth drilling, reducing your workload and saving valuable time. Invest in our hole saw set today and experience the difference that